Is your Wi-Fi mysteriously absent from the settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system? No worries, we have got a quick fix and easy solution for you. In this tutorial, we will guide you through simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up in your settings menu. Say goodbye to the frustration and get your wireless connection back in no time. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes. To fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Restart your computer and check again. Step 2. Ensure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. Right-click on the Start button, go to Device Manager, find your Wi-Fi adapter and enable it if disabled. Step 3. Update Wi-Fi drivers. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter in Device Manager, choose Update Driver and follow the prompts. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Install any pending updates. Step 5. Restart the WLAN autoconfig service. Open services, services.msc, find WLAN autoconfig, right-click and select restart. Step 6. Disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter in Device Manager. Step 7. Run the network troubleshooter. Go to settings, then update and security, then troubleshoot, then internet connections. Step 8. Perform a system restore to a point when Wi-Fi was working. Step 9. Check for physical Wi-Fi switch on your laptop and ensure it's turned on. Step 10. If the issue persists, consider resetting network setting in settings, then network and internet, then status, then network reset.